folks, these are the final results from the fully dried hair paint wax experiment. I don't know how I feel about it, you guys. Well, I do know how I feel about it, but I'm not 100% excited about it. I'm going to let you guys be the judge, pass or fail. So first of all, let me tell you, there is this weird film on my hair, and every time I touch my hair, it's like this, it looks like highlighter makeup is coming off of my hands. It has been giving my skin a really nice pretty glow. However, I feel like anything that my hair touched, this glitter, it's really like shimmer. It's coming off on everything. How do you guys like the color? It's just like a really weird residue and texture left on my hair to say that there is no more color than there is. I'm not really seeing the color. What do y'all think? Are y'all seeing the color? I don't know. I know my face looks crazy, but it also changed like how my wash and go came out. As you guys can see, like some of the curls are kind of stretched and straggly. It's not super defined. It's not really fluffy. I actually picked my roots out just a little bit, which I don't normally do, to give just a little bit of volume and shape. I don't know. I just get more of like a cute curl without the product. It just added like a weird thing going on in my hair. So me personally, I can't wait to wash this out. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I don't know if I should try a different color or if I should just let the hair paint wax thing go. This was strictly an experiment because I already had the hair paint wax from a giveaway, and I've been meaning to give it a shot for over a year now, and I've just never gotten around to doing it, but here it is. So there you have it, folks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.